It's quite beautiful. It gives me Ethiopian vibes or Moroccan vibes, only that Moroccan, they are just so colorful. Giving them this thing is so as cheap. The bottom layer and the top layer, so now I can put a lot of clothes on my suitcase because of that, because of the way I arrange them. Searching for a longer day, people feeling like the light has just come. We must never stop the way. Birds jumping and I hear my name, grasping into life. Life is happy but it's so insane. We must merely make a start. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah, the beauty of the world. Savannah, let's all take a walk. Savannah. Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Welcome back to another video. Okay, today's video is about single room house decor. I do not have a lot of decors in the house, but I have just a few, and I'm gonna show it to you guys, and I hope you're gonna enjoy this video. Just make sure you give me a thumbs up and give me more ideas. I know a plant is a good house decor, but yeah, I'm not yet gotten to that level yet. Yeah, so here we go. And now that we are here, I'm just gonna do a shout out. I'm actually outside and my skin looks so perfect. I do sell skincare products, natural aloe vera made products, and they've helped multiple people. I have multiple testimonies. So if you are struggling with the skin condition, just make sure you check out ladyboss_Elle on Instagram, or just WhatsApp me or call me directly on the number in the comment section, and we will talk to each other. Yeah, I'll give you free consultation. The first beautiful decorative thing we have in the house, and it's in the window, just the kitchen window, and yeah, that's how it looks like. It's like flowers. Let's move this way. Yeah, flowers inside this thing, and it is so many years old, this particular decorative thing in the kitchen window. This is the second decorative thing, but we actually use it to store drinking water. Just after warming, we put it inside here after it has cooled. It's quite beautiful. It gives me Ethiopian vibes or Moroccan vibes, only that Moroccan, they are just so colorful blue and stuff. Yeah, so yeah, it's so beautiful jar of drinking water. The next decorative piece we have on this table is this. This is a riding chariot. You can tell that some of them are falling down, some are breaking, but yeah, this is quite beautiful. There you go, some horses are falling. It's actually so old. This particular piece is so old, and it was given to my sister after high school. You know, you're given gifts after you scored marks to go to uni. When you have enough points to go to uni, she was given these. Or when you get particular A's in particular subjects. So I don't know why they were so fooling students while giving them this. This thing is so as cheap. Another beautiful kind of decorating thing we have, it's for putting, it's a candle holder, and it has animals. The animal print on it is so beautiful. You know, the wild giraffe. And yeah, it's broken though. Even though we are talking about decor, I want to show you guys how I arranged my suitcase. I've just learned a new way. So yeah. So I have like 3 sections. I have this section, and then we have the middle section, and then we have the third section. Before, I used to put them instead of this way, I used to arrange them this way. So I had like only 2 sections, 1, 2. So now I roll my clothes, like, you know, it saves a lot of space. We have the bottom layer and the top layer. So now I can put a lot of clothes on my suitcase because of that, because of the way I arrange them. So now, yeah, I have a lot of space now. Yeah, I love them. I love how colorful my clothes are. But yeah, so this section 2, we have 2 sections on the bottom, and then we have another 2 sections down there. I know you can see, right? Yeah. Yeah, so that's how I arranged my suitcase. It's so pretty. Hey guys, so I'm gonna end this video with me cleaning the bins. Not really like cleaning, but I'm separating clean bins from chaff. So the clean ones, I'm gonna put them here, and the chaff, I'm gonna put them here, you know. So that is what I'm gonna do. Just like so. Hi, so I'm supposed to tell you guys about, I've not been uploading in the past 2 days, but I wanted to tell you guys that I did wash my clothes, just the tops. So the dresses are still dirty in that bag. So yeah, I just wake up, I wash them in the evening, I dry them in the morning. So yeah, just slowly by slowly. And my hair, I'm also planning to wash it at the end of this week. My skin is so perfect. Skincare routine will be coming very soon. So make sure you subscribe. It supports my channel. I will love it. Just subscribe. Please subscribe. And whenever you get a notification of my videos, when you get online, just click on it immediately and watch, because YouTube algorithm is messing things up right now. So yeah, just support me that way and share. So I'm going to see you on my next video. Yeah. Bye.